Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify order can't be shipped to your location error. This issue typically occurs when your shipping zones aren't properly configured to include all the countries where your customers are trying to place orders. Let's walk through the complete setup to resolve this once and for all. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify admin dashboard where you'll manage all your store settings. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side panel where you'll find your main navigation menu. Click on Markets. This section allows you to control which regions and countries can shop from your store, and it's crucial for ensuring your products can be shipped internationally without any restrictions. Now, click on Create Market. A dialog box will appear prompting you to set up a new market. Input a name for this market, something like International works perfectly. Then, here's the important part, make sure to check all countries. This ensures that customers from anywhere in the world can place orders from your store. Take your time scrolling through and selecting every country available. Once you've selected all countries, click Done. After that, click Save to confirm your changes. This saves your new international market configuration and ensures it's applied to your store. Give it a moment to process as Shopify updates your market settings in the background. Next, on the left side panel, click Settings. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your Shopify store, including payment methods, checkout options, and most importantly for our purpose today, shipping zones. From the Settings menu, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you define how your products will be shipped to different regions and what rates customers will see at checkout. It's essential to configure this properly to avoid the shipping error we're trying to fix. Under the Shipping section, look for Rates for and click on it. This will show you all your existing shipping zones. What you're looking for now is the option to add new rates for regions that might not be covered yet. Find and click the Add Rates button. A new window will open where you can configure a shipping zone. Input a zone name, something clear like International. Then comes another critical step, select all regions. Yes, this means scrolling through and checking every single region available. Take your time with this to ensure nothing is left out, as missing even one region could cause the shipping error to persist for customers in that area. Once you've selected all regions, you'll need to choose your rate type. Shopify gives you two main options here: flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. If you want a simple fixed shipping cost regardless of package weight or size, choose flat rate. If you want dynamic pricing based on actual carrier rates, choose the carrier option. After selecting your rate type, put in a custom rate name that describes the shipping method clearly, like International Standard Shipping. Then, input a price that covers your shipping costs. This could be a fixed amount like $10 or $15, depending on your business model. Once everything looks good, click Done, and that's it. Your Shopify store is now configured to ship to all locations worldwide, and the order can't be shipped to your location. Error should be completely resolved. Customers from any country can now place orders without encountering shipping restrictions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.